Hi guys, today we learn SUMIFS formula. So how it's work basically, like we have a data here, employee name, and here is a month, and here is a sell amount, right? So Raj in the month of Jan, the sell amount is 50,000. So there is a multiple time of Raj, multiple time of Amit, and so how will get the sell amount? So here is SUMIFS like is equal to type sum ifs and press on tab. Now is asking for some range. So sum range, we want to this range, some range of sale amount. So you have to select the sum range and give a comma, right? So is asking for criteria one. Criteria one is Raj, because we need Raj total sale amount. So now we have to give a comma, right? Start double inverted comma for criteria two. So we have to type here Raj. First you have to give it equal to Raj, then close the inverted comma, then close the bracket. So you'll get the 80,000. So like Raj in Jan month is 50,000 and Feb month is 30,000. So 50 plus 30 is 80,000. Now if you need only Jan month sale amount, so you have to again on the same formula you can continue like criteria 1, give a comma, select the month range, give a comma, start a double inverted comma is equal to, if we need Jan cell, so type here Jan, double inverted comma, close the bracket, we'll get here 50,000. That means in the month of Jan, Raj did the 15,000. Like the same, if you change name here, if you if we need the Jan cell of Amit, you type here Amit, we'll get here Amit 50,000. Amit did the 50,000 as well as. If you need overall Amit, so we no need to calculate this, you just click here, you will get 70,000. Like Amit 50,000 and in the favor of 20,000, 70,000. Thank you guys.